be in November, but she's back again. They just can't keep her away. You never know, I might take another car in one day. I think the P6 needs to go in next time. I'll have to get onto the P6 club and try and get on the stand in November or something. Wow, we're here and I got no idea whether I'm parked in the right place, but I did see there is a plaque here with information about Peggy on it. So I've got to be not far off in the right place. So we have to wear fluorescents on we're set up day and a pink wristband. But I've got her in. And yeah, I think it breaks up these colours, the white and the silver. Nice bright orange, nice bright green over there. So I'm going to give her a little clean off now. Black the tyres and things. There's no rush at all. Because, well, I'm here all weekend. So, yes, it's the Pride of Ownership Lancaster stand. Yeah, nice cars. There's still space for a few more. I think there's another at least 3 empty stands here. They made me move, but that's a good thing because it was a little bit cramped in there between the Micra and that. Lotus? Yes, it's a Lotus. Sorry, I had to think then. So they made me move and it's great. They put me here at the back of the cars, but they're not going to put another car there, so people can just walk through. So when they walk through, they see Peggy, and there she'll be with her bonnet open, maybe even the doors open. Plenty of room. Let people sit in her, whatever. Have a look in the engine bay. I've given her a quick dust off to get rid of all the dirt and dust off of her. I'm gonna black the tyres up now. I don't know how much more I'll do. Knowing me, I'll do all of it. You know, I'll do a bit of dashboard, a bit of polishing, a bit of waxing. But I'm really happy with how she looks. She looks good as she does, you know. I've got trophies. I've got her trophies in the boot in that box. I'm going to put on the rear parcel shelf. I'm looking forward to doing that. Right, I must stop and have a drink. And no, not alcohol. I'll save that for later. I got the hotel all to myself tonight because Rainey's working. Oh yeah, there we go. There's going to be so much talking this weekend. So much. Oh, do you want to see what they wrote on the sign? I'll show you. You can pause the video to read it if you want. That's as much as I'm going to do to my Allegro today. I'll probably do some polishing and stuff while I'm amongst the crowds, you know. Just as something to do while I'm talking to people. I've set up the back parcel shelf with a few bits and bobs in there. So I've got the original new car order form and the receipt when it was purchased. Trophies, a few touch-up things, the original handbook, passport for service. Yeah, just a few bits and bobs in there. Excuse me. And I say tomorrow I'll come and I'll I've got greasy fingerprints everywhere, look. I'll open the bonnet tomorrow and the doors and everything. Just let everybody have a good look round it. I think she looks great. Lovely and clean. So, I think we should have a sneaky pre-show walk around, shouldn't we? And see what's here. So this is the Pride of Ownership stand, so there's always a very eclectic selection of cars, but they've all got nice little stories to them. Now, I'm not going to go around reading them all because, well, I just haven't got the time and patience to do it. But look, there's this little Nissan Micra here, a bit like the one that I had on the channel a little while ago. 56,000 genuine miles. Mine only had about 12,000 genuine miles. This very blingy Focus, if that's your sort of thing. A bit modern for me. That's a 2010 model, that is. Vauxhall Nova Saloon. That looks cool, doesn't it? Little Morris Mini. What's this, a Celica? Yes, Celica convertible. Look out for the lad on the John Deere. Oh, Goggomobile. It's just a funny name, isn't it? Oh, this Capri is absolutely stunning. I mean, if I was going to vote for a car, I'd definitely be voting for this. Look at that. That is Peggy competition, that is.
Oh yes,
AA badge as well.
Yeah, they're all polished up. They're just going to put the stand around.
1973. Love it. I'd love a Mark 1 Capri again. Oh, he's got the little pop-out windows. I didn't have that on mine. Very nice. Is this a little MGF or a TF? Looks like an F. Yes. Little yellow F. Peggy looks wonky over there. She's not. I hope not, anyway. What else we got? Escort. Somebody hasn't turned up. Look. Renault 5. Supposed to be here. But they're not. Oh. Hope they're okay. Wow, look at the red interior in this. I like that. Nice engine bay. We like a nice engine bay. XR3i. What is that over there? A Datsun? I've completely missed Nikki's Mercedes over there. I bet he's thinking I've forgotten about her. Go over in a minute. That's beautiful, isn't it? Really nice. Datsun 330. 1976. What a lovely colour. It's sort of a metallic brown, but it's like a, I guess you'd call it a coffee colour. It's not a poo brown. It's almost a sort of golden brown. That is a nice looking thing. What else have we got over there? Is that another Nova? Like it. Oh, it's an Opel Kadett. Oh, there you go. This BMW is a bit modern for me as well. Should we see what's special about it? There's got to be something special about it. 2001 BMW. So he's always wanted one. There you go, and they've recommissioned it. Oh, nice. And this lovely Lotus here, I was speaking to the owner. He said he's had it from new and he's only done about 3,000 miles in it. And he was saying about he's got a plastic fish in there. I don't think he's got it out yet. He's got a plastic fish. Because he said in the James Bond film, he got a plastic fish. I love the roof. It's really like, I don't want to say weird, but how the dashboard and everything is all sort of soft and covered in leather, I presume, like the seats. It's just a big beige leathery mess in there. And I don't mean mess as in nasty. I just mean leather everywhere. Tidy. And this lad in the middle has been polishing his Puma. It's nice to see one of these looked after because they became so cheap at some point. They were just getting used and abused. I mean, I borrowed one for a bit.
Yeah, I've actually
Okay, that's nice. It's nice to see one that's not in that light colour silver or the blue or the yellow. Sort of a grey colour. It's lovely. And the Citroen, oof, oh, that's got to be a car I'd be voting for as well. That's, oh, I've got to get right down. Lovely. Watch you don't trip on the exhaust pipe. Oh, it's a left hooker. That detail on the grille. Really nice. Is this the SM? Yeah. 1971. What a beauty. Very nice. And this Mercedes over here, we know the lady who owns this. Her husband's been cleaning it.
Hello,
You've been cleaning it. Hello.
How are you?
Alright. Yeah, you've done her proud. Nice and clean.
Yes, she's buggered off to the hotel room.
Do you think she's had a few, to drink?
I guarantee. Yeah. So I've had my instructions.
Brilliant.
Until 6 o'clock, then go and pick the pizza up.
Oh, brilliant. Pizza tonight.
Yeah.
Is she going to have a branded handbag with her this time?
No.
Oh.
I think she's just sticking with the rally spec.
Okay, yeah, that's fair enough.
Just a celebration.
Yeah. God, look at that. It's beautiful in there, isn't it? Benz. Lovely car. .280 SL. That beautiful chrome. It's perfect, isn't it? It's just so shiny inside. It's like a really nice place to be. Battery cut-off switch on the front. And over there, that's his car. Husband and wife, you see. They sort of got his and hers. Pillarless. Oh, I do love an old Merc. Look at that. This must be a column shift. There's no gear stick in the middle. All that walnut. What a lovely car. There's a Porsche sneaking up over there. Yeah, that's my cup of tea, that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Must say, not a lot of leg room in there. Look at that. With his seating position in the front. You don't want to be sat back there, do you? Oh dear me. Not a lot of leg room at all. That is the fun thing about being here on setup day, and that you get to hear everybody turn up. That's that yellow car there. So loud. Well anyway, I've got to go over to the press office apparently to get some passes. Oh yes, the auto jumble and trade stands. I'm going to be spending all my money. Somebody's really polishing something. It smells lovely around here. Right, I've got all my wristbands and my parking pass, which is nice. Oh, not as nice as that Chevy. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that is. This is jolly nice, isn't it? Jolly nice. Quite a few Mercs about. Look, another one there. Squeaky. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to look at because I don't want to film everything. I'll do the normal. Go and look at the Rovers and the Allegros and British Leyland stuff. Yeah. Or maybe I'll just walk around with you like this and you can look at cars in the background and you can be like, oh, I should have looked at that. Like this crusty old Alpha. I mean, like, that's the whole thing about this show. It's called the Restoration Show. So it's nice to see cars that are in need of restoration. as well as all the shiny ones. Is that what it's meant to look like? Well, that's a 4-door. Bloody Fiat Pandas, eh? The skeleton of a Porsche and a big chunky off-roady type one. Hey, look at the little old panda. Wow, look at that. It's undergoing some mega resto work. Soon to look like this one day. I'll put my passes away now. Let's have a little walk around. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? That looks like it's in really good original condition, doesn't it? Oh, it smells great as well. Oh look, it's a princess creeping along. Yeah! Where's he off to? I do like a princess. Now I'm lingering around these Cortinas for Simone from Hooked on Classics because she's got a Mark III Cortina. Ripe and ready for restoration, I like that. Giving this one a good rub. Hello! Beautiful. That is a nice green, that is. Look at that. Wow. What a load of patina on that, eh? What a brilliant thing. Love it. I say it's lovely to see the shiny ones, but I also like seeing this, and that's why I love the restoration shows. You just get all sorts, from rags to riches, as they would say. Lovely little prefect. See, that's a prefect, that's an Anglia, but they look exactly the same. That's a 4-door, that's a 2-door. I wonder if that's the differences, or is it something to do with the engine? I honestly have no idea about these little cars. Wow, a whole shell. Look, a Granada estate. There's a massive gap here. I feel like somebody's missing. Oh, look at that. Granada estate. Oh, isn't that red beautiful? That is a nice red. Gleaming. That's the shiniest Granada I've ever seen in my life. Another estate. These are a bit modern and fast for me, but my god, is that green. It's the greenest green I've ever seen. So this is the Ford Side Valve Owners Club. Well, they look like they're involved, aren't they? All sorts of Fords getting worked on or restored. What else have we got? I'm just all over the place here. Oh, I can see some Marinas. They're already doing work over here on this Mazda. Oh, that one looks like it's been through the wars, doesn't it? Blimmin' it. Oh, there's some princesses. How comes the shiny one's gone away? Maybe there was no room. Let's see what the Marinas have got to offer. Morris Marina Garage, fine. All them shiny bits in the engine bay. I guess you got to start somewhere. Good place to start. But I think you got a long way to go. Mind you, look, it's done all under here. Lovely shiny axle. No drive shaft. I wonder if they'll be putting that on. Oh look, it's got a mirror there so you can see. It's done all underneath. Brilliant. That's the way to do it. So many people start with the bodywork, make it all shiny on top, and then leave it all crusty underneath, which I just think is weird. What's going on here? He's got a clock in his hubcap. Oh dear. I wonder how many people will walk past that and not realise. This hotel's nice. It's full of stuff. Full of club stuff. Wow. Round. Oh look, he's got the tiger seat covers. Like Marley. Must be a Marina thing. That spoiler. Overdrive, eh? What's he got in there? Should we have a little peek? Oh yeah, looks like he's got a Triumph gearbox with the flicky switch on top. Just about see through the scratched window. Hand is trying to leave. Yeah, just beep at him. Vauxhall's coming in. Oh, all the smells. You're missing all the smells. And it's so warm out there today. I think it's about 18 degrees. I mean, the breeze coming in is lovely. A couple of maxis. Doesn't this one look so chunky compared to that one? It's almost like a blimmin' off-road car, isn't it? Oh look. Oh, Allegro people.
Nice to see you.
Hello,
Don't
Colin.
get too close, got the lurgy.
Oh.
Yeah, keep your distance.
Why you get away from him? Get away from him. Oh, have you?
Yeah.
Oh no. Morticia is here again. Lovely black Allegro estate. And this car's here again, but it's actually here for an important reason. Because Nick is going to finish this weekend, and the owners are going to drive it away. So yeah, it's a big momentous reason why it's here again, because it's going to leave here under its own steam, which is exciting. If only Morticia would do the same. I think Si said he's going to do some wiring on her this time. But no, it's nice to see her here again. I do like an Allegro estate. And this car I've definitely seen before, and the name of the owner's completely gone out of my brain for some reason. The poo car. The poo car. Love it. Nice to see it here. Oh look, he's got jobs to do at the NEC. That's cool. Oh, there you are. I can see his name on there. It's Danny's car, of course. I don't know how I forgot your name. We'll have to find out why it's called the poo car, apart from it being poo brown, obviously. Well, that Princess that drove past earlier is definitely not this one. Apparently they're going to try and do a clutch on this one. Oh, look at the moist trapezoid headlamp. Bless. Last MOT test 2018. Oh. This one, he reckons they're going to see if it's not dead, but they think it is dead. It's very crusty, isn't it? Very barn findy. Blimey. And it looks like they've got space. Is this a walkway? That's a walkway. I wonder if they've got space for another car there. Yeah, there's a sign. Well, they said there's a Wolseley version coming. Oh, that's it, yeah. So he's run out of fuel or something. So yeah, Simon was saying that the Princess that drove past us just now is on the pride of ownership stand, apparently. So Where have they put that? I don't know. I didn't think there was any room over there. Oh, maybe it's right on the actual Lancaster stand over there. Perhaps that's an extended part of it. Now here we are, there's another part of the Lancaster stand. That's that noisy yellow car that came in. Here's the Princess. And a P6. Brilliant. Two of my favourite sort of cars. I say sort of because that one's a Series 2 V8. No plaques on these. Ah, there we are, there's a sign for the Princess over there. But I don't know where the P6 sign is. Is that it there? Yeah, there it is. Oh look! Furious driving. That's his car apparently. I didn't know he had that. I thought he just had a white one. I noticed they put all the Fords out here. They haven't shoved them all in the naughty hall, as I call it, Hall 8. That's normally where they end up. Oh, look at that. Proper barn find.
Sorry about that.
Some people, they just have to get in front of the camera, don't they? This one's shedding a load of rust on the floor. And newspaper. Oh wow. That's like a mouse nest or something that's fallen out of that, isn't it?
It's open if you want to open the boots and stuff.
It's open, is it? Oh, I didn't want to open anything, it might fall off. Wow. I mean, it's got potential.
A little bit.
Is it yours?
Yeah, me and my dad's.
Oh wow.
Just pulled out of garage this morning.
This morning?
It's been sat in there for 38 years.
Wow. What are your plans with it?
At the minute, I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Is the engine seized?
we believe so. We've not tried to turn it yet.
No. Wow, the old seat covers. Oh, the smell of damp and mould. It must have been a damp garage.
Yeah, it wasn't very watertight.
Oh dear. Mmm, yummy.
Bit rusty.
Oh. Blimey. I mean, I say it's not, you know, it's not full of holes in certain places, is it?
In places it's reasonably good, but then in other places
It's really
very bad.
I did notice like half of it on the floor.
Yeah, I keep checking it to get some more out of it. Just for the looks.
Oh, thank you for opening it and
No
showing
worries.
me. What else have we got on here? This one's been dipped by the looks of it. Red oxide. Oh, I can still smell the paint. You still waiting for another car?
Yeah, I'm hoping it's not long.
I'm not going to say, it's time's getting on. I keep
I want to be getting going.
looking at all these gaps thinking, is somebody coming?
Yeah, I'm not sure who's coming here.
I don't know, it's a
Like
big
three
gap,
cars
isn't
there.
it? Yeah.
I'm hoping mine's about half an hour away.
Oh, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
We've got some Citroens. Some, are they Scirocco's? Yeah, Scirocco's. Audi's down there. Volkswagen. Minis. Oh, what's over here? Oh. Look at this whole thing. Isn't it good? You just, you know, you'd see this sight driving along in this condition in London or something, doing deliveries. It's all Sprinter vans now, isn't it? Wow, this one looks like another barn find. Freshly dug out of somewhere. Wow. Just love to know the history of these cars. How did they get this bad? Why did they get left? But why did they get kept? You know, all these questions. And why would you put those wheels on that car? I have no idea. Each to their own though. I'm judging by having those wheels on there, it must be on the road. Oh. I'll take my words back. It's most definitely not on the road because there's no engine, but there you go. Maybe they'll be putting an engine in it this weekend. That's a nice thing, isn't it? Two-door.
I can remember seeing them on the estates and
they're already working on it. Look at the air horns.
Yeah, it was
This is a fun little thing. It's a children's barn find. Oh, I just spoke to a chap on the stand and he was telling me about that car. You know, I said about, you know, wonder why it got left like that. It was a husband, his wife passed away and it was her car and he just drove it in the garage and shut the door and then didn't open it again until recently. Pretty sad really. Apparently everything is as it was, you know, stuff in the boot that was hers, it's just left in there. You know, I don't know how long it's been sat in the garage, but I imagine it's been quite a while. And unfortunately, a bit of a damp garage by the looks of it. But, yeah, ah. See, I said there'd be a reason. There's always a reason, isn't there? What we got here? Mini. Van. Oh, that looks like Harvest Gold, doesn't it? It looks like the same colour as the Marina. And this Mini here looks like a very similar colour to Peggy. Probably vermilion or something though, rather than glaze. Oh, I like the Finding Nemo in the back. Got some modern Minis, as I call them. And more Pumas, but look, it's that blue. It's that blue, you see. The chap on the Pride of Ownership's got that nice gunmetal grey. Oh, over there's some Renaults, and the yellow one's Mark on Motoring. He's got a YouTube channel. Oh, look, there's some cabbages. I think they call them cabbages, don't they? The Brooklands. That's it. This will give my friend Clive nightmares because he sprayed one of these. Bit of a long story, but yeah. So we've got the Sporting Bears thing, but yeah, there's no cars here at the minute. We'll have to come back tomorrow. There's only a Metro, some really old car. I don't know if that's a Model T. Actually, I don't know. It looks a bit like a Morris. Not sure. I feel like I'm really cramming in a lot today. It's because it's so peaceful. I'm not having to fight through people looking, and also the owners, because the owners do like to talk, don't they? That's why we all do it. We love a good chat. So it's quite nice and peaceful just to walk around and have a look. See, we've got a few American cars. I've spotted a P4. I did see that coming in actually. There's another Cortina over there. This Ford's beautiful. This pickup. Oh, what a stunner, eh? I really like that. I like an American pickup. Beautiful. Keep off. Wow, over 100. Oh gosh. Sorry, excuse me. 100 years old. Gary truck. Ooh. Smells great. Oh, Cortina. This looks like some sort of setup that Simone would do with the bike and the space hopper and Cortina. Brilliant. Wonder if they'll give that a polish this weekend. Some minis and a Metro, oh, what do they call it? 6XRI or something. You know, the big fat Metro. It's a green one. They're normally white, aren't they?
Yeah.
There you go. Big fat Metro. And what is that? Don't even know. Status Mogo. Okay. Ooh. Something to do with a Mini, some sort of kit car. Interesting. Some buggies, P6 clubs over here. I don't know. I feel like we should wait and maybe look at the Rovers tomorrow or something like that. Because we like looking at the Rovers. Well, I do anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna cut you there, and we'll look at some Rovers tomorrow. We'll save them. And I'm looking at them now. I'm dribbling, but I'm not gonna look. And look, there's some sort of stage up there. And look at all the equipment. We can have a good nose at all the equipment. Look. Oh, that's far too technological. Can't even say the word. Technological. I don't know. But yeah. Old aero caravan, isn't it? There really are all sorts of cars here. That Morris Minor. We're going to look at that Morris Minor. Go on. Oh, this is one of those Renault. Is it an Aventine? I didn't know the boot opened like that. That's a weird opening boot. We'll go and look at this Morris. Can you help? Barney. Need some funds. Oh. Restorer of the Year. Oh. Owned by Emily Grace. Gosh. Got your work cut out there. Blimey. Yeah, it's a lot of work. I bet underneath is a bit frilly as well. Wow, look at that. Vauxhall Deluxe overhead cam. Isn't that nice? That whole back piece lifts up. Lovely red interior. That's smart, that is. What is it? Vauxhall Viva HB Estate. That is tidy. A few cars hiding under covers, and again it looks like this car's missing. Oh, I can see some Metros over there. We'll look at all that. Metros, Triumphs and Rovers. We'll do a bit of that maybe tomorrow. Or Saturday. Or Sunday. I'm getting distracted by more Vauxhall estates. 5 doors. Aren't they lovely? I like an old Vauxhall. Once they started getting into the 90s, or even the 80s, I sort of went off them. Yeah? I don't honestly know much about the old Vauxhalls. I don't know what it's like to get parts for, what they're like to drive, you know. There's one hiding under there. What on earth has he got hanging out of the door, really? I don't know. Some sort of speaker for that? There's lots of cars covered up over there. Some Jags. It's like a Viva Club or something here. Love that little Bedford. That'd be a good daily thing for me to work out of, wouldn't it? Couple of 1100s. Oh, sorry, that's a 1300. Oh, that's beautiful. Isn't that lovely? Opal. Why am I knobbing over Vauxhalls? can smell this one. Musty. Wow, look at the engine bay then. The engine bay has been restored. More Cortina goodness. 1381 Motor Club. Never heard of it. Oh dear. You do look a bit sad. And you're having a little wee on the floor, aren't you? It's currently weeing as we talk. Look at the mess it's made. I wonder if they realise. Well, I reckon the bottom of the radiator's fallen out. Judging that the bottom of the car's fallen out with it. Oh dear. Wow. Oh look, members are required to complete 1,381 per annum. In this? Really? I guess it's MOT exempt. Oh, okay. Oh, what's that black car right at the end? That looks nice. Let's go around and have a look. Long Buckby vintage and classic vehicle meet. Oh, it's a Vauxhall again. What? Look, I've got problems, haven't I? I keep looking at Vauxhalls. It's a wyvern. You never see the wyverns. Let's give it a sniff. I bet it smells amazing. Black with red interior. Oh yeah, I can smell it. Not as good as a Rover smell. But they really have got that, yeah, American look to them, haven't they? The old Vauxhalls. Now you sort of see that and you might think Studebaker or something like that. Lovely. Well, I mean, it's interesting to see it with the external panels removed, so you can see. Why does it say sorry down there? You can see all the inner workings, so I guess they need to repair this. That's why they've taped it up, because it's got sharp edges. Oh. Hidden rot, you see, look. Yeah. Nice seats. I was looking over here, look at this. Heineken. A very crusty Heineken. Oh my goodness. All these cars have got me bending down to look at the crust. What a funny little thing. It made me giggle. Oh, I see, that's a right hand drive, this is left hand drive. Oh, look at the floor. I'm going to send you in there. Oh dear. That was bad, wasn't it? I don't know how many halls they've got in this event. I've just had a walk around this hall, which is hall 5. Looks like there's a hall 4 over there, which I presume half is going to be auto jumble. There's some trade stands in here. Still unpacking. Oh look, this middle one, I reckon I could get away with that in my workshop. You wouldn't get it too high, but high enough to do some shit. Because of the roof in my place, you couldn't go up too high. I wonder how much these are. I don't think it's giving a. I don't think it's giving us a price, is it? I bet it's expensive. Right, I'm in hall 4 now, and I can see over there's hall 3. I don't think there's a hall 8, unless it's in the other room. it might just be 3 halls. Looks like this one, hall 4, got the restoration workshop stage and barn finds over there. Classic trade village. Okay. Does that mean it's the auto jumble? Oh yes, auto jumble. I can see the sign down there. Okay, that's cool. I think I'll go and look at that tomorrow. Now look, there's a little Austin A35 there, manoeuvring, and in the barn find bit there's an Austin A30. I'm just gonna have a quick peek. I said we'll look at this another day, but I've just got to come and have a look at the Austin. Oh, hey, it looks more solid than your Barney one, Chris. Oh, poor little thing. Been in the barn since 1971. AKA the peanut. Right, I'm in hall 3 now, and hall 3 looks like all the posh cars that are for sale. Modern, a lot of modern cars. Why would you come to a restoration show to buy a modern car? Well, there you go. I guess, you know, you might argue and say these aren't modern. There you go, the auction's at the back. I was going to put my Land Rover in that auction, but I didn't get round to it. Yeah, most of the hall 3 is just auction, by the looks of it. Auction and cars for sale that are way out of our budgets. Well, out of my budget anyway. Oh, look at that though. 40 grand. Blacked out windows. Oh. God, it smells gorgeous in there. Oof, it smells of leather. Beautiful. Anyway, let's get out of here. Oh, there you go. As usual, in the auction, there's a load of Land Rovers. See, mine could have been back there. Would have been ideal for this show. A bit of a resto job, you know. Somebody probably want to restore mine, make it all military again. Look at that lorry. Oh, my dad would like that. There's always a Volvo lorry kicking about in these shows. Not seen this one before. What a beauty. Oh man, that's so nice. Here we go, I just picked up a pocket guide. And yeah, so we've got Hall 5, which is where Peggy is, right in the middle, pride of ownership. Hall 4, which is all auto jumble-y stuff. And then, yeah, Hall 3, which is auctions and cars for sale. So not a massive show, but plenty to do in a day, if you're just visiting for a day. I'm here all weekend, so I'll have to entertain myself somehow. I'm just walking through the barn find section again. This old Mercury. I was just thinking that Betty would look good in the barn find area. And then I seen this and I thought, yeah, it's very similar. It's very, very long. Perhaps even longer than Betty. I'm not sure. Oh, what a state to get in, eh? Poor thing. The roof is just disintegrated, isn't it? Blimey. Aww. Oh, it's only Thursday and I'm knackered already. Ramy, my partner, he can't make it tonight because he's got work late. So Cy on the Allegro Club has lent me a Land Rover. It's a Freelander and apparently it rattles a lot. I don't think I can really bring you along for that ride because I haven't got a windscreen mount, but I don't think you're going to be missing much anyway. I've only got to drive 10 minutes up the road in it, go and get some chips, and then that's it. I'm in the hotel for the night on my own. I'll be editing this video for you. Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll probably look at some Rovers. Actually, no Rovers tomorrow. Auto Jumble tomorrow. See if we can get the bargains. I think I have found the Freelander. It's not flashing at me. Oh, there you are. I have found the Freelander. Let's see if it really is as clattery as he says. Oh. It's like opening up a tomb. Oh, it smells like an ashtray in here as well. Here we are, the Freelander. Automatic though, nice. Right. Let's hope that the oil and water's good. We're going to trust Si that he hasn't left us with a complete nail. It started. Sounds alright. Some kind of weird noise coming from it. Sounds like power steering pump, but don't know. How do I get out of here? I presume it's that way. Somewhere. Doesn't sound very well. I mean, the engine sounds okay. It's the rest of it that's attached to it. How do you get out of here? What is that wooing noise behind me? I swear the brakes feel better on my Allegro than this.
Exit the roundabout onto Northway. In a quarter of a mile at the roundabout, take the 4th exit.
It feels like a very manly car. That noise must be the fuel pump, surely, that I'm hearing. Well, that was lucky. We got the last space. It's a bit of a dodgy space. Right on the end. But then the Focus is sticking out a mile, so that makes up for it. It was either that or I was going to try and squeeze in that little tiny hole over there. But, right. I'm going to check in. Thanks for watching. Bye.